Hello and welcome to Smowltech's channel. Today we're diving into a smart and visual learning tool that can totally change the way you study and organize your thoughts. Mental maps. So what exactly is a mental map? It's a visual technique used to organize information around a central idea. Think of it like a tree. Your main idea is the trunk, and related topics branch out from it. This makes complex information easier to understand and remember. Now that we've got the basics down, let's talk about the real perks of using mental maps. Mental maps help boost memory, improve understanding, and make studying more effective. They're also great for sparking creativity, solving problems, and organizing your ideas clearly. Whether you're planning a project or preparing for an exam. Wondering where this idea came from? Let's explore that next. The concept of mental maps goes way back to the early 1900s, but it was popularized later by author and psychologist Tony Buzan, who emphasized its role in learning and creativity. It's been evolving ever since. So how do these maps actually work? It all starts with a central topic. From there, you create branches for subtopics using keywords, colors, images, and connections to build out your ideas. This format taps into how our brains naturally process information, visually and associatively. Now that you know how they work, let's talk about when they're especially useful. Mental maps are helpful in tons of situations, from studying for a test to planning a story, organizing your homework, or brainstorming new ideas. They're also great when paired with other learning methods like the Pomodoro technique or the Feynman method. So just to wrap it up, mental maps are visual tools that help you learn, organize, and create more effectively. They're easy to adapt, fun to build, and powerful in practice. At Smowltech, we're passionate about making education more accessible for everyone. That's why we offer a range of online proctoring plans to support secure, remote learning environments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could use a study boost. See you next week.